Hey folks, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Let's check out the top 3 home cordless string trimmers and edgers. Here we go. The BLACK+DECKER string trimmer has auto feed, it's electric, 6.5 amps, and a 14-inch trimming diameter. Seen here in BLACK+DECKER orange. That's got a little over 5,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And you can also get this string trimmer packaged with replacement spools, gloves, a leaf collection bin, and several other things as well. So check out those packages on the listings. And it's important to keep in mind that although this is electrical, it does have a cord. But it means no recharging and it only weighs just over 3 pounds. And as I mentioned, BLACK+DECKER has several other products as well, including battery operated trimmers. So if this doesn't suit your needs, check out one of those. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Easy to Assemble and Use. So I decided to order an electric trimmer and mower to use this summer. With my husband deployed to the Middle East, I decided I needed something easy to use that was still functional enough to handle our yard. I went with BLACK+DECKER because we've used their brand in the past with smaller power tools, and felt they were a good investment. After one use, I'm happy to say I'm not disappointed. They were simple enough to assemble and I trimmed our yard within minutes. Handling things alone is significantly less daunting and my husband is going to have to fight me to use these tools when he gets back. Fair enough. Well, there you go. Check out this corded electric trimmer today. You can get it through Amazon Prime, free shipping, free delivery. So check it out, you're gonna love it. The Greenworks 40-volt, 13-inch cordless string trimmer and edger with a 2.0 amp-hour battery included. It's got about 900 ratings on Amazon with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. This powerful electric trimmer weighs 9.26 pounds and has a cutting width of 13 inches. The gas-free cordless design eliminates gas hassle while getting the job done. It's lighter, reliable, easy push-button start will not wear your arms out. The pivoting head allows for edging and trimming capability with an edging wheel. It's compatible with the Greenworks replacement spools models 29252 and 29092, and includes a battery and charger, and has a telescoping drive shaft. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. I cannot say enough good things about this trimmer. I've lived alone for 16 years and I have 1 acre of property to take care of. Every trimmer I've used before was so frustrating. I had to yank the cord so hard, prime the engine, always have gas, which in the correct mix, on hand, and always have the individual cords ready. Every trimmer I used to own ate through their cords and it was so frustrating to have to carry the cords in my pocket. Having to stop and add the cords every time one broke was so inconvenient. The other trimmers were so heavy. My last trimmer I actually had to wear heavy snow gloves because it vibrated so much that it hurt my hand so much. Enter this trimmer. I knew when I was shopping for a trimmer what I wanted and what I didn't. This trimmer is truly incredible. I love the fact that it does not require any gas or oil. I never have to run to the store just to pick up the cords or the oil mix. I absolutely love the fact that I just have to charge the battery and it starts up by a press of a button. With my old trimmer, I had to lie the thing on its side, step on it a certain way, and yank the cord as hard as I could over and over just to get the thing to start. This is so great also because it has an advancing feature when the cord is cut. You don't have to smack it on the ground like other trimmers just to get the cord to advance. It does it automatically. It's so lightweight, so someone like me with not as much upper body strength can easily carry it and lift it up and down to aim it correctly. I went the entire summer without having to replace the spool of cord, making doing the job of edging and trimming so much faster. In fact, yesterday was my first time edging my backyard for spring and the cord ran out. It was so easy to replace. You just press the button and slide out the old spool. I thought I'd have to get out the manual to see how to do it, but it was only 2 steps. I just cannot say enough good things about this trimmer. This Greenworks trimmer is also available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So pick up yours today, you're gonna love it. The WORX WG163 GT 3.0, the 20-volt power share 12-inch cordless string trimmer and edger. Well, that's a mouthful, but just think of it as a high-powered, battery-operated weed whacker. And this particular one has over 10,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very nice. WORX also offers various combinations of trimmers, leaf blowers, and batteries, as well as some other items as well. So check those out. This product features instant line feed, an innovative push-button command feed spool system for instant line feeding. Plus, free spools for life. Wow. And the batteries, of course, are included. 2 powerful and lightweight 20-volt PowerShare Max lithium batteries. And these batteries can also be used on any other tool in the WORX PowerShare family. That's convenient. It's got a spacer guard and has 12 inches of cutting diameter. It also weighs less than 6 pounds, so great maneuverability. The head tilts a full 90 degrees so you can trim in tight, awkward spaces and even on uneven terrain. And the handle is fully adjustable as well, so you can find a position that's comfortable to work in. Now let's check out a helpful review by a verified purchaser called Perfect for the Mechanically Challenged. I'm a single female who has an unfortunate amount of yard work. I gave up on the gas-powered weed trimmer that was a leftover from my former marriage. I spent more time figuring out the line than trimming. It killed my back and shoulders. Last but not least, with gas-powered yard machines, I never know how much oil to mix, what kind of gas to put in, and so forth. I'm not mechanical, so my quest for an easier and lighter weed trimmer began. I landed on this WORX trimmer due to Amazon reviews and popularity, along with other marketplace reviews. I've used the weed trimmer after 3 mowing cycles. So far, no regrets. It's economical. I have almost an acre of yard, so the second battery comes in very handy. If I decide I want a third battery, I can easily pick up another. As an added bonus, I got a great deal on the 4-year warranty. Well, there you go. I think anybody can appreciate user-friendly design. So pick up your WORX PowerShare 12-inch cordless string trimmer today. You're gonna love it. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. Nice.